Ahoy, Captain Funneh.
Ahoy, ahoy!
I can't hear you.
Aye, aye.
Say it again.
Aye, aye.
Guys, this is serious. It's not a joke. Today I'm taking you on the most calm and collective cruise.
You have to get it out.
You're gonna sing. Farewell.
Wait, you have to stop wobbling.
Lunar,
You have to stop wobbling.
Lunar, Whee! Why can't you be like Gold's cruise?
Thank you, Gold. You are the safest captain.
That's it. I'm driving myself. Draco, you're a public nuisance. We gotta get
Everyone,
It says it right here.
gently walk onto the gold SS. Is it the SS Gold ship? Gently
Yeah.
walk. No jumping.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you know what
There
I
you
think
go.
we can do? If we balance it smartly, like the boat,
Oh,
we can float.
true.
Draco, come on.
Now that they're dead, I'm gonna go by myself.
Wow, that was your plan. the whole
Jinx.
time. Wait, is it that easy? Let's see.
It is.
I just fell.
Lunar?
Oh my gosh.
Lunar?
I almost-
That could be
Rainbow,
us,
I
Lunar.
heard that Funneh is the worst captain. She cannot control her ship.
I hope they fall.
True.
I'm gonna go ruin their boat. Drive slow.
Hey,
No,
go
no, no,
around.
this isn't fun for fun.
Get away! Funneh, get away from our boat. Funneh, we made it so far. Don't.
Lunar, come on.
Rainbow, get off, get off. Rainbow, go.
Oh gosh.
Lunar, where are we going? Get over here. Lunar.
Look at them. They're so sweet.
Guys,
We gotta go smooth sailing. Apparently, this isn't even the hardest level yet. Come on.
Wow,
See,
you're.
Lunar?
What happened
Oh,
to you? You're
a
a pro
speedboat.
now.
I told you I'm a captain. She refuses
Okay,
to.
Funneh.
Jump, Lunar.
Okay, get on.
Funny.
Stand in the
Redeem
front.
yourselves.
I got
Okay, I'll
this.
stand right in the front.
This is like a roller coaster, like a log.
Pretty
like a
fun.
boat ride.
I like
Yeah, this is
it.
pretty cool.
So fast.
Come on, come on. Let's move. No! No! Did you see that?
Okay, Lunar, there's proof that Funneh is a very bad captain.
Uh-uh.
She has